In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your footage into After Effects and add it to a composition. This process is essential for creating compelling visual effects and will set you on the right path to mastering After Effects. Let's dive right in and break it down step by step. First, you'll want to import your footage into After Effects. To do this, open up the software and head to the Project panel. You can either drag and drop your footage files directly into the panel, or go to File, then Import, and select your files from there. Once your footage is in the Project panel, you'll need to create a new composition. You can do this by dragging the footage down to the composition icon at the bottom of the panel. This will ensure your composition settings match those of your footage, providing a seamless editing experience. Now that you have your footage in a composition, it's time to apply some effects. With your layer selected, navigate to the top menu and select Effect. From there, go to Keying, and then choose Keylight 1.2. This powerful tool will help you isolate subjects from backgrounds, making it much easier to manipulate your scenes. When the Keylight effect controls appear, you'll notice several options. Look for the eyedropper tool next to Screen Color. This is your key selection tool for removing background colors from your footage. Carefully click on the color in the background you wish to eliminate. It's crucial you pick a color that represents the unwanted background evenly for the most effective key. Changing the view. Drop down to Screen Matte is your next step. In this view, you'll notice that anything white represents what will remain visible, while the black indicates what will become transparent. This visual representation is vital for ensuring that your subject remains delineated from the background. To refine this, adjust settings like Screen Gain, Screen Balance, Clip Black, White, and Screen Shrink, Grow. Each adjustment will help you perfect the matte, achieving that crisp outline essential for placing subjects into new environments. Once satisfied with your matte adjustments, switch the view back to Final Result or Composite. This will let you see exactly how your subject looks within the key without any matte guides. Now you can place your new background layer underneath the keyed subject layer. Doing so gives a complete view of your subject in the new environment you've chosen. Before declaring your work finished, it's important to preview and fine-tune the edge details. Feathering and spill suppression can help ensure that the edges of your subject blend naturally with the new background, eliminating any lingering remnants of the original background. Once you're happy with the effect and color balance, you're ready to render or export your project with the newly added background. This final step encapsulates all your hard work into a shareable format that highlights your editing prowess. So, there you have it, importing footage into After Effects and keying out backgrounds in a few simple steps. Happy editing!